This is for Activity 5.5b, CAD Model Features, Part 2. This is video number 1. What I'm going to be taking a look at is how to mirror within a sketch. The actual size of this object that we're going to take a look at is not important. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus right there to zoom in so we can see a little bit. We've got this outside edge with a construction line running down the middle. Over here, this construction line stays put with 2 circles and a rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and start up a new sketch here, or a new part, and start a new sketch on the XY plane. Please don't concern yourself with the sizes of objects right now. We're just looking at how to mirror a sketch. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the rectangle tool, start at the origin, make a rectangle. I'll right click and hit OK to get out of the command. I'm going to click this line and right click and choose construction to turn it into a construction line. Notice I didn't come up here and turn on construction line. To draw the lines, I just right clicked, turn it on to the construction. I can turn it off, right click, turn it back on. Okay. I'm going to add 2 circles. One there, one here, and another rectangle. Click and OK. So, I've got everything I need. I can move this around if I want. I can move the other circle around if I want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the pattern area where there's a mirror. We've done circular. I believe we've done rectangular as well. Now we're going to do a mirror. So, I'm going to pick mirror and select all of the items that are not the construction line. I'm then going to choose as my mirror line the construction line. So I made this active. You can see the dots around it. That's my construction line right there. That's my mirror line. Hit apply. And you'll notice before I hit done that we have all of these relations that are popping up. It's going to become apparent here in a moment. I'm going to hit done. And so if I move something over here, it's moving over there. If I move something over here, it's moving over there. If I resize, that will take place. Same thing here. So we can increase the sizes and the different positions and add everything with dimensions at this point. But what I want you to do, go ahead and finish the sketch. Save the sketch as a part and take a screenshot. Put it in your notebook. Thank you for watching.